Alright, NPM, I'm gonna make this simple for you to understand. I already switched out this tape with another one. So, we're gonna put it back in there. It's already round, I think. I'm gonna make sure of that. Press rewind. And it wasn't. Alright, now, what's important is these videos, the -Rs, are only for transferring your videos. These are Ws are only for burning them when you got them in MP4 versions. So, what we're going to do is take one of the -Rs, this side down, this side up, put it in there, wait for it to load first. Okay, it's loaded. Now all we gotta do is make sure it's on DVD right there. That button should be right here under DVD, and then you press subbing or dubbing, and then it should record.
Right.
Yeah, but it's there. It's just not a base anymore.
It's an industrial park, I suppose.
Yeah.
Now, if you get a error message that says this program is not allowed to be recorded, it may just be the disk that is dysfunctional. We ran into those disks that are dysfunctional when trying to make this video for you.
Yeah.
So, make another video when we're about to finalize the disc.
Very funny.